Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I don't know if you guys are aware, we do have a hurricane heading in this direction. So even if it's a tropical storm, I'm still concerned. My concerns are the shade cloths, they need to come down. And then my other concerns are debris falling on my plants and breaking them. So that's my concern. It's not like the rain. My concerns are the winds, and the winds just knocking down stuff or throwing debris on them. So I'll have to make some decisions and move. Obviously I'm gonna move all this. I gotta figure it out. Some will be inside the house, possibly some will be in the front porch. Also, some can be along the walls of the house. So my only concern would be the time that I put it there, because along this side here, we have some really strong afternoon sun. So obviously I don't want them to burn while I'm avoiding a hurricane, like while I'm protecting them from a hurricane. So yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Anything that's like anything that doesn't have height and is really low to the ground against something, and where I think that debris won't fall on it, I'm not worried about. But anything that has height like this, needs to be moved. So yeah, I'll be moving many things. Yep, it's a lot of work, but it needs to be done if I want my plants to survive the hurricane. It's making that bounce. See that? Oh, there's a lizard on it. I'm like, it's bouncing. Anyways, all this I'm probably gonna go ahead and place underneath the table, just so, yeah, like I said, nothing falls on it. So yeah, those are my concerns. That's it. So but there's a lot of work to do because I've been doing lots of propagation, so I have more pots. Yeah, I have more pots, so I need to and not only that, to top it off, I hurt my back yesterday somehow, really bad. I could barely move. I had to put a back brace on, and it was in so much pain. The pain was shooting down my left like hip and leg. So I woke up better, and I'm hoping that I stay like that. So I have to be very careful when I'm moving my plants. That's another thing. Big pots I can't move, so they're gonna stay. So hopefully they'll be okay. But yeah, I can't. I've always said that these things are gonna stay put. If they make it, awesome. If they don't, well, I'll have to start all over. But yeah, so that's what I'm thinking about, guys. That's what I have to do, and then hopefully all will be well. So I'll show you guys everything that I move. Yeah, and the decisions that I make. I'll talk to you guys about it in the greenhouse as well. Hold on. With the greenhouse, because this side here is exposed to the palm trees and stuff, I don't know if anything can hit this side and knock anything down. So to just be safe, I'll move anything that's hanging. And yeah, I'm possibly gonna move all this, even though I like the way it's set up. Hopefully I can set it up exactly the way it was. But yeah, I'll have to move all this just because I'll be so afraid. So yeah, maybe I'll shove a lot of stuff underneath. I'm not sure, so I'll just have to see. But yeah, I think last time I emptied out the greenhouse a decent amount. So yeah, anyway, so I'll update you guys on that. And then I'm waiting. I feel like I can't start working on what I need to work on because I'm waiting on a call for a meeting for them to tell me at what time I will have to go today. And I can't get all sweaty to then go to a meeting. So that's another thing that's holding me back from starting. So, yep. That too. Okay, let me get to work. Like I said before, I hurt my back. So I did what I could, and I didn't want to make my family have to deal with my plants, I felt bad. Those are my plants, and I'm the one who has an excessive amount of plants. And it was a very, very hot day yesterday, so I wasn't gonna make my family help me move plants. My husband did help me a little bit, but there's a lot of plants that I just left alone, and I just said, it's just, you gotta be realistic. You can't move everything. But today is Saturday, and today was supposed to be raining all morning. I looked at the forecast yesterday. It's supposed to be raining all morning. And now, look, what's it called? I need to move these because what is it? It's already 10:30. These plants right here in the front, they like the shade. They can do morning sun, but they cannot do afternoon sun. So if the weather stays like this right now for the afternoon, that will not be good. So I need to move. I'm just going to go ahead and move all those because they are not used to afternoon sun, just in case. Maxie's gonna sunbathe for a little bit. Hey, Max. You say hi. And then I put that one over there. That's the one that I normally have on my red table. I moved it just in case if it were to fall, because it's got height and the wind can easily push it down. But I realized again, sun, so that needs to move. I'm actually probably gonna put that inside. So that's what I'm gonna do here. We took off the shade cover, the pergola, just so the wind can just go right through. Previously, when we had a really scary hurricane, we put these away before, but we're not, because supposedly, it's only going to be possibly a category 1, so that's going to stay there. And then, let's see. Most of everything is still here in its place. I just kind of shoved plants like against the fence, and yeah, this is gonna stay here, and hopefully nothing can hurt it or fall on it. That was my main concern with my plants. It's just debris falling on it and breaking them. But yeah, like I said, I left a lot of things alone. Look, I covered the fish just in case any debris would fall in there. It has a little thing to protect it. So I did that. And let's see what else. Oh gosh, the calm before the storm. It's pretty though outside right now. It feels amazing. These have been here before during hurricanes, so I'm not worried about that. Also, I decided to leave my shade cloth up, just because I took all the plants down that I would think that could possibly get damaged if one of the shades does come down. The only shade I took down was the one that was here because of this. If the shade were to get down and then it can get caught up on this and pull it, which now reminds me that I have removed the shade and now I need to move these. I completely forgot. Thank goodness I decided to do this video now in the morning. So yeah, these, again, afternoon sun does hit this area, and that's why I had a shade cloth there. So I'll be moving that. The reason I think it was okay there is because it has, a back there, so there's no wind that's going to blow it over to the front. And yeah, I think that those are safe there. But now, thinking about the sun, if it's going to be out, then I can't do that. See, I took all of that, emptied that out. I shoved a lot of plants in this direction, and they can be safe there. I also, observed my palm trees, and there's no dead palm leaves on it right now, so everything should stay in place, hopefully. Also, many plants underneath this table, and then I just left whatever's here. Hopefully no branches fall on it, but that's what I'm doing. Maybe I'll get motivated to move more. It's just I'm trying to be very careful with my back. This is all empty. Also, I shoved a lot of plants over here because I think they'll be safe right here. Yeah, I left that there. And then in the greenhouse, so most of the greenhouse I put inside the garage, and then I just brought plants that were outside in here as well, and then I shoved many things on this side. So yeah, I'm concerned about this side if something were to fall on it, so that's what I did. And Yeah, I was pretty tired and hot yesterday, so. But I think I'm gonna leave everything as is and just, hope for the best. And that's what I want to do. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I just wanted to share with you guys that. And yeah, I need to move those. So I put that planter under there, kind of under the tree. I'm under the chair. And all of these are propagation. We're getting some breeze, which I love the breeze too. So just there's other things, other countries. Actually, the islands, they have real things to worry about. So I'm not gonna stress out about it. I have to tell myself they're just plants, even though we love them, right? We love the plants, but in the end, they're just plants. So yeah, we'll see what happens, guys. You guys stay safe, with everything, and God bless. Bye, guys.